Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We have question 19 on NOV-DEC 2024. We are to simplify k squared plus 9r squared all divided by k squared minus 4kr plus what? 3r squared. So looking at the numerator, we can rewrite this as 3 squared, r squared, and by indices, it becomes 3r all squared, and that will give you a difference of 2 squared in the numerator there. So what I mean is that if I have my k squared minus 9r squared, then k squared 4kr, I can rewrite this as k squared minus 3r all squared divided by, this is also quadratic in a sense, since we are having k here and it's being featured here, r here being featured here. So let's pick the constant. Factors of 3. When you add, you get -4. Those factors is going to be -3 and -1. By multiplication, we get a 3. By addition, you get a -4. So I will just have my k squared minus 1kr minus 3kr plus 3r squared. We are replacing the minus 4kr by minus kr minus 4kr, which gives us exactly minus 4kr. So the top will become a difference of 2 squared, as in, let's have it here, k plus 3r, k minus 3r from difference of 2 squared. If I have a squared minus b squared, it becomes a plus b, a minus b, a difference of 2 squared expansion. Then for the down, we are having 4 terms, so we can do grouping method. So I'll group the first two, k squared minus kr minus this minus, then into bracket kr, 3kr minus the 3r squared. Now, originally it is plus. We are having minus because of the introduction of the bracket. You know, expansion is the opposite of what? Factorization. So I factorize the negative out, the -1 out. So when you expand the -1, multiplying this, you get your negative sign. -1 times -3, positive. So if you bring in the bracket by factorization, you have to change the sign. So the numerator still remain k plus 3r, k minus 3r. We factorize. Common factor between this will be k. When divided by k, you are left with k. Divide kr by k, r will be left. Common factor here is going to be 3rr. So this is the minus 3r into bracket. Dividing this by 3r, k is left, minus r will be left in there. So in here, k minus r is also a common factor. So we can factorize that out, maintaining the top. So if you pick the common factor out, which is k minus r, dividing this by the common factor, you will be left with only k minus, dividing by this, 3r. I bet I can see common factor k minus 3r, k minus 3r. So this will cancel this, and we are left with only k plus 3r, k minus what? R. And I believe that will be in the option C as our final answer. I guess the concept we followed through from the beginning and understood all the aspects. Like the video, share, and leave a comment whilst you subscribe.